Hi, welcome to eWebGuru. Here we share some informative videos about hosting and websites. Today we are going to compare three major types of hosting. We will compare shared hosting, VPS and dedicated servers. We are very willing to simplify the hosting choices for you. So let's dive into the details. See what shared hosting is. Shared hosting is a setup that allows multiple websites to use a single server for their operations. In this system, one website's creator will not know whom or which websites are being shared with a single server sources. It's like many families living in the society apartments. Next is VPS hosting. VPS is basically virtual private server, and it is a shared server, has similar features and functions as a dedicated server, and it comes with the privilege of access to their operating systems. It helps to customize VPS in any manner the customer wishes. VPS is like a few families living in a single apartment. Now let's take a look what a server hosting is. A dedicated hosting service, dedicated server or managed hosting service is a type of internet hosting in which the client leases an entire server which is not shared with anyone else. So, site hosted on the dedicated server gets independent resources and need not share with anyone. It's like one family living in a separate bungalow. Now, we hope you got an idea about these three hosting types. Now let us see how they are different. If we take a look at resource sharing and controls, we can say in shared hosting, many site owners share one server. In VPS, few site owners get part of the server to use independently. These parts act as virtual servers. In dedicated server hosting, site owner gets totally independent server with full control. In shared hosting, single resources like RAM, disk space, and bandwidth is divided and shared between many site owners. They don't have root access. In VPS, every site owner gets separate RAM, bandwidth, disk space on their virtual server. They all have root access. While in dedicated server, hosting site owner gets. Now, if we analyze the security level of all the three hosting types, we can say that shared hosting is also a safe form of hosting, but site owners may get issues due to noisy neighbors. In VPS hosting, site owners do not get issues due to neighbors because everyone's resources are fully separated by each other. And in dedicated server hosting, site owners do not face any of the issues because they hosted their site on independent server. Now, let us talk about prices. Shared hosting is the cheapest form of hosting, and it is the best choices for blog owners and low traffic sites. VPS is an affordable option than the dedicated server, and it is a more scalable option than shared hosting. A dedicated service is costly, and this hosting type is best for softwares, sandboxes, and other heavy websites which have massive traffic. Thank you guys for being with us. At eWebGuru, we offer all these hosting services at a very affordable price. We are known as a trusted hosting service provider.